On your marks.
Marshall, also the Carifta Under-20 champion. Loads of credentials and accolades for her. She runs out of lane number 5. Class 1 girls 100-meter hurdles final it is.
Set.
The set position sent off now. Marshall got away well, so too Regina Bailey of home with technical, but the pre-race favorite, the newly minted record holder, TIANA Marshall of Woolmer's Girls, takes command now. She looks supreme, she's superlative, she's like poetry in motion. Another fabulous performance to land the gold. Class 2 champion last year, she becomes a Class 1 gold medalist, this time around in 13.33 seconds. Silver to Brianna Davids of St. Jago in 14:06. And the bronze goes to Amoy Kentish of Excelsior, 14.10. But this young lady from Woolmer's, TIANA Marshall, remains undefeated in sprint hurdling campaign at Champs.
Didn't get the best of start, did Marshall. Bailey, a rocket out of the blocks, gets to hurdle number 1 first, so too Reed, but after hurdle number 2, the record holder comes to the fore and takes command. Nice high knees in between the hurdles. She's so quick, so fast, that she gets to the hurdles before everyone else, and by the time they look up, she's gone. She finishes the race with a full head of steam, running into a strong headwind, -2 meters per second. She expertly navigates these hurdles, and if there's someone that's up next in the long line of sprint hurdling for Jamaica, this is the girl. TIANA Marshall, 13:33, has the Carifta Games next week, but she delivers back-to-back gold for Michael Carr and Woolmer's. Here again, Bailey started pretty well. Davidson, a fine hurdler as well, but everyone, Quakers in the wake of this supreme talent. Nothing has ever seen a talent like this from Woolmer's over the sprint hurdles. The fastest ever girl in Class 1 at championship is now the gold medalist.
The first